Hi, Dr. Rosado. I did a small video for you. So this is the Animal Diet Formulator, the program I use because I need to rewatch all the videos about the Balance It. And anyway, I don't have the Balance It supplement here in Chile. I prepared this very simple diet with not so much, with just 13 ingredients for a busy family who have to cook for a very large dog. So I put the current weight we want to get to reduce from 50 kilograms to 40 kilograms. That's the reason I choose 40 and best the 50, because I wanted to get 40. So in this, according to the required kcal for per day, I got from this program, and I do also through the Veterinary Information Network calculator system. I calculate that Panda'S she would need, because she passed away almost 20 years ago, a lot of time ago, is 1,351.96 calories per day. So she needs 908 grams a day. And I resized the formula I did for 7 days. So owner need to prepare 14 pounds every Sunday, for example, and freeze them, the portions, for every day. And the only supplement I add was salmon oil and RX vitamin essential for dogs, what I have here in Chile. So the 26.26 grams needed for a week had to be divided in 7 days. Same with salmon oil, the same. I can take the calculation. I can put the calculation on the program. But this formula I made is high in protein, what is needed for this kind of high quality protein: chicken, beef liver, eggs, and quinoa as a protein sources. White chicken, because she was very cold, so I need a warming. The other warm proteins you teach are not available here in my country, and almost 40% of the calories are supplemented by fat, and just 13.64 percentage of calories comes from carbs. So it's very low in carbs, low in sugar and starch. That is very good if I want to make her to reduce weight. So how is balance? We can see all the minerals are balanced according to AFCO, because I use the AFCO 2020 requirements, and under add water, under add water, because it's not. Oh, I made a mistake. It's okay. It's under add water. It's not. Is fresh food made, cook, of course, for this dog. You can see that all the minerals are balanced, properly balanced. All vitamins are properly balanced, including choline is very difficult to balance. So eggs is part of my must in diets. So all the fats are balanced and amino acid too. So uh, um, so I can show you, for example, something. The caloric data of this formula is in this short video. Is it show the how much the receipt apport, the total amount, and minimal according to the in this case AFCO for adult, so 1.25 to 1.45. So we can work with that, with all the minerals, with every vitamin, fat, and amino acids. So we can use according, we can decide if we adhere to AFCO and RC or FEDIA for Europeans. So that another detail very interesting. So this is the reason I made a video, because this is a is a paid program, so one can see exactly what every ingredient is apporting, is supplying to the diet, regarding protein, fat, ashes, moisture, or fiber, if soluble and insoluble. So I will do a little. You can watch, and you can rewatch if you want. So I can choose the percentage as formulated and dm or kilocalories. Same with minerals. What is the how much every ingredient is supplement of every mineral to the diet in percentage. So if you want to see for 1000 kilocal or DM or amount in receipt or daily amount, that is possible to make with that. So it's, I will do a short, so you can watch, rewind, forward, wherever you want. So from shell, next, vitamins for every ingredient. Same. If you want to wash and compare, I don't know, so you're free to do that. Fats. Oh. Here. And a very important amino acid. So that's the ingredient table, or anything interesting. Report, setting, compare. So it's possible to resize. In this case, I resize for 7 days, but you can resize for days, grams, kilograms, pounds, whatever you want. Oh, also. And if I, no, that is not. I think I have sort. It's possible to sort according weight, custom, etc. And I wanted to show you, but I don't know how to. Here, for example, the information on the chicken, that's the chicken information. So macronutrients, the minerals supply, vitamin supply, fats, and amino acids. That is from the chicken. Beef liver, the macronutrient distribution, the percentage of protein, moisture, fiber, carbohydrate, of course not, to the as an ingredient. So you can see it's high in phosphorus. You can compare with another ingredient. So the vitamins, fat, and amino acid from beef. Pumpkin. So with what information we have about pumpkins. That is from the conventional side. And I will write you maybe you read the TCBM pumpkin kelp. Maybe you watch the read the TCBM approach for ingredient selection. Excuse me, my broken English. I don't practice my English too much, so I haven't traveled to the United States for a while. I just went to Spain, and I don't need to speak English there. So the eggs, choline for eggs, they are happy choline source fats, and our friend amino acids. Almonds, I love almonds as a phlegm dispelling. Very interesting. So this is a high in fat, in healthy fat, high in calcium and phosphorus also. keep high in potassium. That's good. Magnesium for that kind of patients, so to dispel phlegm. Vitamins, a great source of vitamin A as vitamin E as antioxidant, fats, and amino acid. Brazil nuts as a valuable source of vitamin E mainly. I 172.35 international unit per kilogram. The kind of fats and amino acids. Same with quinoa. Salmon oil. It's nice to know what we are feeding our patients. Eggshell as a calcium source. You can see no phosphorus, just calcium. No, nothing, just calcium. Calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate. Cheap friend. Ginger root. I add ginger root for her spleen. Well, if you were leaf. So it has a nice amount of choline too, huh? Fats, amino acids. So I use the Air Essential for Dogs. This is the one I have on hand. The mineral source is calcium, no phosphorus. Calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese, iodine, copper, a little bit zinc. That is good because a nice source of zinc is oyster, but oysters are very expensive, and for 40 kilograms, 80-pound dogs, give oyster is very, very expensive. So the content of vitamins, well, no fats, of course, and no amino acid, is just minerals and vitamins. I think it's a very long video for you. Bye.